Oh, wasp. No, close. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? EAS here. It is, wait, I don't say that. Good afternoon, ladies and... What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It is August 11th, 2021, on a Monday.
Quick news flash, it was Wednesday on the first day of school, dummy.
Scary man. So guys, more storms are firing up as you saw, and once again, I am joined by...
Me.
What was that for? I'm gonna have to use M-Censor and blur that out now.
Hi, my name is Landon Creamer. I haven't posted content in forever. So for now, I'm just appearing on Tyler's channel, crashing his channel. Please go subscribe. My channel is dying. Please, 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 for the love of God.
So guys, as you can see, severe storms are firing up right now. Oh my God, IamBot is going crazy right now. What's happening? What's happening?
It's nothing from Rayquil. So nothing for our area right now. Still stuff firing in from other parts of Virginia right now. But we've just been getting stuff from Blacksburg and Sterling. Nothing from Wakefield yet, which I find odd.
Yes. Oh, let's look at the radar. Holy crap, that storm is actually warned. Holy crap. Wait, that's not us. No, it's that storm. Never mind.
Blur it out. It's fine.
So currently what we're seeing is that cell right there, which seems to be intensifying as we speak. Oh. What?
Now I'm looking brewing. That storm. You can see. Okay, I shouldn't be doing that with my phone looking in.
So what is this way? God, it is hot. Holy Jesus.
Wait, hold on. Let me get out there. Oh my goodness, Tyler, please, come over. Look at that.
Woo!
Look at that.
Wow.
Let's go back inside before we die.
So that means that the rest of the storms are this way, which we can't see yet.
Yeah.
Yo, look at it.
City of Lynchburg. So...
Yo, this is the thumbnail. I usually try to get these as the thumbnail because it shows all the storms. This is a perfect thumbnail. If I do see.
13 minutes later, after screwing around for what felt like an hour, it was finally time to dismiss, to go home.
Let's go! Let's go! I really do wish I was still on your bus. Like, we could technically storm chase together. Thank God we do not have to wear masks outside. Okay. Oh, working. God, it's hot! Jesus! Whoa! What was that? Oh, Madison. We'd like to tell you about your car's extended warranty. Yeah, look at that severe thunderstorm over there.
Your mom's a severe thunderstorm.
No, you
Yes,
What do you mean, yeah? What? Yes.
As the day persisted, the clouds got increasingly darker, and still no buses had come to pick students up. And that's when everything started to get interesting.
Oh, this is absolutely ridiculous. There are emergency alerts that I could be videotaping and posting on YouTube, and the goddamn buses haven't arrived yet. I need my YouTube
Hey, so I'm a witness here. I'm fugly as f***. You could call me Greg Heffley or Fred Ficklehorn. So, if we look over here, that's a fucking metal album right there. If we look over there, that is shit. That's shit, man. Did you know that the movie The Joker and the film Fred have the exact same plot? Hear me out. I know you all tuned in for the news. Listen, Fred, he is a high schooler who is believing that he is a musical genius. Arthur Fleck, the Joker, thinks he's a comedian. They both believe they are in love with this girl when they barely know anything about. They think their fathers are high-rating status men. Bruce Wayne, John Cena, and not only that, they're bullied by the rich. They are bullied by the rich. Kevin, because he's a...
All right, that was very... Guys, you gotta listen to him.
As you could probably see from the brief moments I actually looked at the storm, it was getting pretty bad. But then a few minutes later, this happened.
Let's go! This is baffling scientists all around the world.
Hey, don't taste me, bro. Don't taste me.
Yup, National Weather Service in Wakefield issued a severe thunderstorm warning for our counties, including neighboring ones, and the predicted trajectory was straight into our building. So we were all forced inside for safety precautions. And naturally, as you can probably imagine, this caused much confusion and chaos amongst all the students,
This is so f***ing.
with many stating that they were going to die.
I know. I'm gonna die here, dude. Where's the bus at? I'm gonna die.
So me and my friends decided to take a potentially risky move and go upstairs to get a better vantage point of the storm.
Holy crap. Look at that. Oh my god. Yo, everybody's going insane right now. Yo, look at that hail core right there. There's a hail core right there. God, at this point, you would probably know this is a tornado. Oh my god. Come on, guys, let's go. I can hold this up. Alright, thanks. 70 plus mile per hour winds. That's a hail core right there. Look, we just got issued in a severe thunderstorm warning. Louisa was already in a severe thunderstorm. I mean, look at this. Everything. Look at this. 2 hail cores. There's a huge. What? No. Nice hard rocks on your head falling out. I don't think it's so. I might miss this completely. I don't know whether it's. Wanna say hi to the vlog? I'm gonna say hi to the vlog. Okay. Before we all die. There they go. Oh, guys, my mom is finally here. Hey, be safe!
After all that chaos, I got myself into the car and we finally got home. I know, that was literally the longest intro in existence. But once I got home, I was actually kind of terrified that we wouldn't get any warnings and I'd have to scrap all this footage because there'd be no use for it. But luckily, miracles do happen, and I ended up catching these, so here's the real reason you clicked on this video.
Yeah, let's go! Finally! I get something! Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Louisa County in central Virginia, southwestern Caroline County in north central Virginia, northwestern Hanover County in central Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of One Pass to near Gum Spring, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact,
Oh, that's not it.
expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Ashland, Randolph-Macon College, Ladysmith, One Pass, Montpelier, Chelmsford, Orchard, Glenville, Fontaine, Gumtree, Gilman, Cedar Fork, Leather Glen, Oliver, Coatesville, Hewlett, Goodall, Doswell, New Belton, and Noel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-8 899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has activated the Skywalk Amateur Radio Network for severe thunderstorm watch number 425. Thunderstorms this afternoon.
That probably saved me from a mental breakdown. At least I got one. Awesome, let's go. Spotsylvania.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Spotsylvania County and Central Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bum Pass, or 7 miles east of Mineral, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Hardlow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties,
Heck
in
yeah!
Virginia,
Let's go!
Amelia,
Another one!
Eastern Louisiana.
Severe thunderstorm warning!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond in Central Virginia, Chesterfield County in Central Virginia, southeastern Goochland County in Central Virginia, central Henrico County in Central Virginia, southeastern Powhatan County in Central Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sabo, or 8 miles north of Moseley, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Powhatan, downtown Richmond, Bon Air, Virginia Union University, Virginia Commonwealth University, Temple, University of Richmond, Moseley, Chester, Bensley, Mannequin, Bellwood, East Highland Park, Sabo, Chesterfield Courthouse, Lakeside, Chesterfield and Richmond Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook